Yes, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Abdul. I am a Swahili teacher. I teach Swahili through YouTube channel. And just don't forget to subscribe at the YouTube channel, the Swahili Wings TV. You will get many videos, and I hope you can study this language through your mobile phone. It's very easy, a very simple way of learning this language. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to start or to conclude my chapter 2 by giving you a conclusion of what we have seen in this chapter 2, because we have seen how to transfer a noun, or we have seen for the first time starting our project, we started with singular and plural, how just we studied what is called the numbers, how to take it out from singular to plural. And the second chapter we are just talking about, or we are just studying what is called preposition of. There are many prepositions, but we are starting with preposition of, just because this preposition of is varying in many ways. The way you write is not the same according to what nouns are followed there. So the preposition of in Swahili is changing time to time. So I have told you, and I have shown you how many ways you can change the shape of the preposition of, and we have seen how much M plus consonant, a noun, for example, just a noun starting with M plus a consonant, we have seen how it changed. We have seen M plus consonant now. It means it's a noun that it is starting with M, and the following letter is a consonant. So S is a consonant. This is an example. So here I have msumari. Msumari, it means a nail. In plural, the rule says all M plus consonant noun in singular, in plural will be me. So you put this me, misumari. You add I in front of M. It becomes misumari, nails. So here it means nails. Okay? Misumari. This is singular, this is plural. So the preposition of this, a nail, if you want to put a preposition of, you can say a nail of. In English, nails of. So in English, of doesn't change in singular or in plural. But in Swahili, you can say msumari wa. It means a nail of. Misumari ya. It becomes ya, because it is plural. So this means that M plus consonant noun, when it describes something, of course msumari, it is something, right? Msumari, it is not a person, or it's not a creature. It's something. So misumari wa in singular, misumari ya. Just in English, the preposition of doesn't change. A nail of, nails of something you can add. So this is describing something. So what about here? Mfalme and wafalme. Mfalme is there to describe someone. Mfalme means a king. So if you say mfalme wa, you must put the preposition wa. It means king. A king of Scotland, for example. A king of Scotland. Mfalme wa Scotland. It's an example. So in plural, you put wafalme wa. Something that you have to put in your mind is that M plus consonant noun, when it is describing something, you put wa in singular and you put ya in plural. But when M plus consonant noun, it describes someone, you put wa in singular and you put wa in plural. Something you have to keep in your mind, that all formulas that we have seen, when it describing someone or a creature, we put wa as the preposition every day. It doesn't matter which formula, which noun. We have seen many kind of noun, ki noun, vi noun, all those nouns. When it is talking about someone or a creature or an animal, you must put wa. This is the preposition of person and animals. Keep it in your mind. So we have the second segment, MB noun. Remember, we have seen MB noun. For example, mbao. M, this is M and this is B. So it is among MB noun. If, for example, you say mbao, in singular, bao, it means a wood. A wood, the preposition of, in English you say a wood of, but in Swahili you say mbao, yeah. This is singular. In plural you say mbao za. In English you say woods with S of. As usual, preposition of in English doesn't change. Mbao za, it means woods of. I've told you many times that MB noun doesn't change. It shapes in plural, except some few exceptions. But in general, MB noun doesn't take plural form. It means that noun, as it is invariable. When it is describing something, bao, of course, it is something. It means a wood. When MB noun is describing someone, for example, mbunge. Mbunge, it is a member of parliament. A member of parliament. Mbunge wa. As I've told you, remember, I've told you that wa is everyday wa when it is describing someone. It is of. It is the preposition of when it describes every day a person or a creature or an animal. So you must put wa. That's why mbunge, as a member of parliament, must take the preposition wa. Even in singular or even in plural, you put wa. Okay. This is what you have seen. But we still have ki noun. I'm going to show you in the next video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe at this YouTube channel, the Swahili Wings TV. Thank you.